I'm Holiday Hev and we are in Barcelona, Spain. We're staying for 2 nights in the Radisson Blu 1882 hotel, which is just round the corner from the Sagrada Familia Cathedral. Right, so we're going to take you on a look around the hotel, so come with me. Check-in is from 3 p.m. and check-out is 12 midday. The lifts to the rooms are located to the left of reception and operated using your room keycard. Right, let's go and check out our room on the 4th floor. The hotel has 182 rooms and was recently refurbished and reopened in May 2022, now owned by Radisson. This room is a standard interior facing room, so the view from the window is the inside of the building, but still provides natural daylight. There is a European USB and USB-C socket provided on both sides of the bed, along with light switches to control main and bedside lights. We chose the large king-size bed option, although other bed options are also available on request in advance of your stay. Opposite the bed is a desk, large TV and your hospitality tray with complimentary teas and coffees and a kettle. Also, they provide a complimentary bottle of still water. There is no fresh milk, but we did eventually find coffee creamers in the little drawer at the front of the tray. There is a minibar in the fridge below the desk and a menu with all the prices and, no surprises, they are pretty expensive. Right, now for the storage. There is a cupboard near the door with a decent size and easy to program safe, big enough to fit a small laptop or a camera, passports, etc. Also, in this cupboard is a shoe shine sponge, sewing kit, and your laundry service menu. There are 2 good-sized drawers to store your clothes in, and another cupboard with a small shelf in it. There's more clothes storage here, with shelves at the bottom for shoes or luggage and a clothes rail above with plenty of hangers. Now, let's go and check out that open plan bathroom area. There are 2 very large full-length mirrors on both sides with lighting above. The sink vanity area is bright and modern with a large mirror, light and countertop bowl basin. Hand wash and body lotion is provided for you along with a comb, shaving kit and your good old trusty shower cap. They also provide a magnified mirror and I find that really useful for putting on my mascara. In a box underneath the basin, you'll find the hairdryer. It's okay, but sadly not the most hot or powerful one I've ever used. On the right is the toilet cubicle. Not much more to say about it really, other than the fact that it was clean with plenty of spare loo rolls. The frosted glass doors do not provide that much privacy, so loud whistling is recommended. Last but not least, let's go and take a look at the shower. It has a gorgeous glass photo panel showing the Sagrada Familia Cathedral. Complimentary shampoo, conditioner and body wash are provided, and the shower is both hot and powerful. I'd give it about an 8 out of 10, I think. Beware, you are visible while showering, but thankfully there's a solution. Well, that's my room tour finished, and there's only one more thing left to do. Let's test out that bed. The restaurant where they serve your breakfast is on the floor directly below reception. It can be accessed by going down the stairs near the main bar or via the lift. I really loved the copper-toned wall mirrors and frosted glass panels on the stairs, and the retro 50s and 60s themed furniture in the seating area just outside the restaurant. Breakfast is served daily from 7 a.m. until 10 a.m. Monday to Friday and 11 a.m. at the weekend. The restaurant was light and bright and has its own outdoor terrace where you can eat al fresco if you like. The choice of food at the breakfast buffet was amazing. There was even a section dedicated to locally produced cakes and pastries, and I could feel my waistband expanding just looking at them. It also had a fantastic choice of both hot and cold items, and you can go up as many times as you want. You'll find the gym in the corner on the ground floor next to the lifts. It can be accessed using your room keycard. It's open 24/7 and has a view out onto the street, so really great for people watching whilst you're doing your cardio. For me, the closest I'll get to exercise on holiday is lifting a cheeky cocktail or two. The hotel has its own underground car park with 64 spaces, and this can be reserved in advance at €30 per day. Now, finally, I get to show you the best part of this hotel that can be found right at the very top, the beautiful roof terrace with a view of the cathedral and the rooftop pool. There's a rooftop bar that serves food and drinks most of the day and will deliver to you anywhere on the roof terrace or even by the poolside by waiter service. The rooftop pool is open from 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. daily. It's not heated, but that's okay on a hot sunny day. There are sunbeds and parasols provided and also fresh towels for your use. As I come to the end of my hotel tour, I'd like to also add that this hotel is located 8.7 miles from Barcelona airport and 4 miles from the port, and there are plenty of taxis both outside the hotel, the airport and the cruise port. Thanks so much for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel and turn on those notifications to be the first to watch my new upcoming videos.